We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Dear friends, myself Mr. Viral Panchal, working as an assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department of S.N. Patel Institute of Technology and Research Center, Umrah. Today we will see about minimization of finite automata. Now, first we will see the algorithm to minimize the FA. The first step is mark final states and non-final states as distinguished. Means we have to separate out the final states and non-final states and make pairs of final and non-final states in this step. Now in the second step, recursively iterating over all pair of states for any transition of the form delta of p comma x is equal to r and delta of q comma x is equal to s, and for some x belongs to sigma, if r and s are distinguishable, mark p and q as distinguished. Means suppose our answer is r and s and we have to check it for p and q. If r and s is already marked, then we have to mark p and q as distinguished pair. See, it will be more clear in examples that we will see later. Now the third step is, if on any iteration over all possible state pairs one fails to find a new pair of states that are distinguishable, terminate it. Means once we are not able to find the new pairs, at that time we have to stop the procedure. Now all states that are not distinguishable are equivalent. Means the pair which will not be marked, which becomes equal states. Now these are the 4 steps to minimize the any given FA. Now we will see one simple example. See here, one question is given, FA is given. Now we have to find it out to minimize FA. Here there are 4 states are given: Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q0 is initial state, Q3 is the final states. Now solution. First we are going to find the distinguished pairs in the first step. So here first final state is only Q3. Next non-final states are remaining are Q0, Q1 and Q2. These 3 are the non-final states. Now we are going to make a pair Q3, Q0, final and non-final pair, Q3, Q1, Q3, Q2. These 3 are the distinguished pairs. So Q3, Q0, Q3, Q1 and Q3, Q2 are the distinguished pair. Now we are moving towards the next step. In the next step we have to make a table. See, the table rows and columns depends on the number of states in the question. Now there are 4 states in our question, so we have to make a table of 3 by 3. Means the number of states minus 1. If we have 7 states in our question, then we have to make a table of 6 by 6. Here states are 4, so we are making a table of 3 by 3. We have to make a table in this way: 3 rows, 3 columns, like this. Now in the horizontal we have to write it from the initial states Q0, Q1 and Q2. The last state will not be here. And in the vertical, from the start we have to starting from the second state. Here our second state is Q1, so we have to write it here Q1, Q2, Q3. In this way we will cover all the pairs like Q0, Q3, Q0, Q2, Q0, Q1. All the pairs will be covered in this way. Now we are going to mark these distinguished pairs Q3, Q0, Q3, Q1 and Q3, Q2. These are already distinguished pairs, so we can mark it Q3, Q0, mark it Q3, Q1 and Q3, Q2. Now for remaining pairs we are going to check whether it will be marked or will remain unmarked. For that, first we have to consider one by one pair. That is, this pair is called as Q0, Q1. So now consider Q0, Q1 pair. Now we are going to find the transitions of Q0 and Q1. Delta of Q0, 0 is equal to, and delta of Q1, 0 is equal to. Now Q0 to 0 is Q1, and Q1 to 0 is Q3. Now check it for Q1 and Q3. Q1, Q3, it will be marked or not? Q1, Q3 is already marked pair. Q1, Q3. So we have to mark Q0, Q1. That is Q0, Q1. Now next, this pair is marked. Now next is this pair. It is Q0, Q2. Consider Q0, Q2. Same way, find out the transition Q0, 0 is equal to Q1 and Q2, 0 is equal to Q2 to 0 is Q3. Again the answer is Q1, Q3. That is already marked Q1, Q3. So we can mark Q0, Q2 like this. Now only one pair is remaining. Now we will check it will be marked or not. That is pair is Q1, Q2. Now consider Q1, Q2 pair. Now check it for its transition. Delta of Q1, 0 is equal to, and delta of Q2, 0 is equal to. Q1 to 0 is Q3, and Q2 to 0 is also Q3. So Q3, Q3 will not be a pair. So now we are going ahead and check it for the one transition. Delta of Q1 to 1, delta of Q2 to 1. Q1 to 1 is Q2. Q2 to 1 is Q1. The pair is Q2, Q1. Now check it for Q2, Q1. Q2, Q1. The same that we are finding. So it remains unmarked here. Q2, Q1. So from the 6 pair, this one pair will remain unmarked. So from the table, we can say that state Q1 is equal to Q2 because it will remain unmarked pair. From the table, we say that state Q1 is equal to state Q2. So we have the following states in minimized FA. Now which are the states? Q1 is remains as it is. Q0 is remains as it is. Q1 and Q2 is same. So we can make it as combined state. Q1, Q2, and Q3 is as it is. So now we have 3 states in the minimized FA, and in question there are 4 states. So now we make a diagram. Q0 is the initial state, Q1, Q2 is the combined, and Q3 is the final state. Here the same states which are final here also in final states in our answer. Now what is the Q0 to 0? Q0 to 0 is Q1. Here Q1, Q2 is combined. Q0 to 0. Q0 to 1. Q0 to 1 is Q2. Again same. Now Q1 to 0. Q1 to 0 is Q3. Q1 to 1 is Q2 itself. Check it for Q2 also. It is right or not. For Q2 to 0 is Q3. Q2 to 1 is Q1 itself. And Q3 to 0 1 is itself. So we can say that this is the minimized FA of our given question. So here from 4 states we can get the same in our 3 states. So this is the simple example of minimized FA. Now we will move towards the another example. In that there are more than one final states are there. This one. See here in question there are total 7 states are there. Now we have to find the minimum state FA, and from this 7 there are 3 final states are there and remaining non-final states are there. Now we are going to start this solution. Same step we will follow here. First, final states are, which are the final states here? 4, 6 and 7. 4, 6, 7. Non-final states are 1, 2, 3 and 5. These are the non-final states. Now make a distinguished pairs, means final and non-final pairs. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, similarly 6 1 up to 7 5. These are the distinguished pairs. Write it down here. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 5, 7 1, 7 2, 7 3 and 7 5 are the distinguished pairs. Now we will move towards the next step. In the next step we are going to make a table. Here total 7 states are there, so we have to make a table of 6 by 6. Make 6 column, 6 row. Like this. If you have a ruler page, then you have to consider one line for one row and make in this way. In the horizontal line we have to start it from the initial state. So here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, these are the states, and in the vertical line we have to move start from the second state. So here 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So now first mark the distinguished pair. This one are 4 1 4 2. Mark this all pair in this our table. 4 1 here, 4 1, that is 4 1. 4 2 mark it. 4 3 4 5 and 4 4 5, this pair. Next 6 1 6 1, 6 2 6 3 6 5. Note down 6 4 will not be marked because both are final states. So here you have to take care. 7 1, 7 2, 7 3, 7 4 will not be marked because this is not a distinguished pair. 7 and 4 both are final states, and 7 5. So in the first step this pair is already marked. Now we have to check for the remaining pairs. See, now consider the remaining pairs one by one. Here we start from the first pair, that is 1 2. Consider pair 1 2. Find out its zero transition. Delta of here alphabets are A and B. Delta of 1 to A, delta of 2 to A. Now 1 to A in this diagram is 1 to A is 2 and 2 to A is 4. So 2 comma here 4, 2 4. So now check it for 2 4. If 2 4 is already marked, then we have to mark our this one 2 pair. 2 4 is already marked, this one, so we can cross 1 2 also, like this. Now consider next pair, that is this pair, that is 1 3. Consider 1 comma 3. Now delta of 1 to a and delta of 3 to a. 1 to a is 2, 3 to a is 6. So 2 6, check it for 2 6. 2 6 is already marked, so we can mark 1 3, like this. Now next pair is this one is remaining 1 5. Consider 1 comma 5. Now delta of 1 to a and delta of 5 to a. 1 to a is 2, 5 to a, 5 to a is 7, 2 7. Now check it for 2 7. 2 7 pair is already marked, so we can mark our 1 5 pair, like this. Now next pair we have to consider is this one. This one is 2 3. Consider 2 comma 3. Now delta of 2 to a is equal to, and delta of 3 to a is equal to. Now 2 to a is 4 and 3 to a is 6. Now check it for 4 and 6. 4 and 6, this pair is unmarked, so we have to move towards. So write down here 4 comma 6, because it will be checked later. 4 6. Now find it out the B transition. 2 to B and delta of 3 to B. 2 to B is 5, 3 to B is 7, okay. So now 5 7, check it for 5 7. 5 7 is already crossed, so we can check across our 2 3 pair. So this will be crossed, like this. Now see, in A transition the answer will 4 and 6, so we have to check it. It is 4 and 6 will mark on, 4 and 6 will unmark, so we are going towards the B transition. If in the B we find it out if 5 and 7, if 5 and 7 is marked, so we can mark it our 2 3 pair, like this one. Now the next remaining pair is 2 5. Consider 2 5. Now the delta of 2 to a is equal to, and delta of 5 to a is equal to. So 2 to a is 4, 5 to a is 6. 4 6 is unmarked because both are final. This pair is unmarked, so we can move towards the B transition. 2 to B is, and delta of 5 to B is, 2 to B is 5 and 5 to B is 7. So here 5 7. 5 7 is already crossed, so we can cross this over 2 5 pair. Okay, the next unchecked pair is 3 5. Consider 3 5. Now delta of 3 to a and delta of 5 to a. 3 to a from the figure is 3 to a is 6, and 5 to a is also 6. 6 6 will not be a pair, so move towards the B transition. 3 to B, delta of 5 to B. 3 to B is 7 and 5 to B is also 7, so 7 7 is also not pair, so this 3 5 pair will remain unmarked, this. So here for our simplicity we write only 6 6 and 7 7. So the next unmarked pair is this one, 4 6. Now we are going to check it for 4 6. Consider pair 4 6. Now delta of 4 to a and delta of 6 to a is equal to, 4 to a is 4 itself, and 6 to a is also 4 itself, sorry 4. So 4 4 will not be a pair. Now find out the bit transition 6 to B and delta of 4 to B and delta of 6 to B. 4 to B is 5 and 6 to B is 6 to B. Where is 6 to B is also 5. So 4 4 and 5 5 will not be a pair. So this 4 6 will also remain unmarked. So this 4 6 is also remain unmarked pair. So our answer is here 4 4 and 5 5. So next pair is we are going to check is this one, that is 4 7. Consider 4 7. Now delta of 4 to A, delta of 7 to A. 4 to A is 4, 7 to A is 6, 4 6. Now check it for 4 6. 4 6 is unmarked, so check it for B transition 4 to B and delta of 7 to B. 4 to B is 5 and 7 to B is also 7. 7 to B is 7. So answer will be 5 7. Now check it for 5 7. 5 7, this one, this is already marked, so we can mark 4 7. This one is marked. So next unmarked pair is 6 7. This one is the last side, 6 7. Consider 6 7. So delta of 6 to A is equal to, and delta of 7 to A is equal to, 6 to A is 4 and 7 to A is 6. So answer is 4 6. Now check it for 4 6. 4 6 is remain unmarked, so we can move towards the next. 6 to B and 7 to B. 6 to B is 6 to B 5, 7 to B is 7. Check it for 5 7. 5 7 is already marked, so we can mark our 6 7 pair. So now the table is over. Here from the table, now again we have to check remaining will be marked or not. Here the answer will be 6 6 7 7. This will not be a pair, so it will remain unmarked, this pair. And the remaining unmarked is 4 4 and 5 5. Answer is 4 4 5 5. It will not be a pair, so this one. So from the table we can say that this pair, that means state 3 is equal to 5, and this pair, that is state 4 is equal to 6. So now from the table we say that states 3 is equal to 5 and states 4 is equal to 6. So we have the following states in minimized FA. Now the states here, our states are start from 1. So 1 is as it is, 2 is also as it is. Here 3 and 5 are the same, so we can write here 3 and 5 in the combined state. 3 5. 4 and 6 are also combined because they are equal, 4 and 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and remaining is 7 is also as it is. So now we have these 5 states in our minimized FA. Originally there are 7 states, now it becomes 5. So now make a transition diagram of this minimized FA. Here we have to use our question. So start from the initial state 1. Now 1 to A is 2. 1 to B is 3. Our 3 is our combined set, that is 3 and 5 combined. 3 comma 5. 1 to B. Now 2 to A is 4. our state is here 4 and 6, so we have to write it here 4 comma 6. 2 to b is 5, 2 to b is 5, that is 3 and 5. Now we are going to check 3 to a. 3 to a is 6, that is 3 to a. 3 to b is 7, 7 is the new state, so we can 3 to b 7. Now 4 to a, 4 to a is 4 itself. 4 to b is 5, so this one. Next is 7. 7 to a is 6. 7 to b is 7 itself. So all are completed. Now check it for this similar state 5. 5 to a. 5 to a is 6. 5 to a is 6 already here. 5 to b is 7. 5 to b 7. So we can say that it is 2. Now check it for remaining 6. 6 to a. 6 to a is 4. Check it. 6 to a is 4 itself. That is, it is right. Next 6 to b. 6 to b is 5. Check it for 6 to b is 5. So it is also right. So we can say that this answer is our correct answer. So this is the minimized array. Thank you friends.